Have you seen Iron Man movie with personal chatbot Jarvis, where Jarvis helped Iron Man with different tasks? The same task I wanted to create for myself, to create my personal assistant similar to that movie Jarvis, right? But I don't have any programming skills, all right? And I don't want it to spend too much money on that. In this video, I wanted to show you how I use AI for creating such personal assistant, and which saved me approximately $100,000 in coding in programming. Is it true and is it possible? Let me show to you in this video on this YouTube channel, BizDNA, while we are encoding the growth of the business. So let's get started this video. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, welcome back again to our BizDNA YouTube channel, and let me show to you how I saved really a lot of $1,000 with using AI for coding virtual assistants similar to the Jarvis. The story is really very simple one. First of all, I just went to the Upwork and decided to post a job post where I wanted to create, as you can see, MVP with using OpenAI API ChatGPT. You can see also my pretty decent one history on Upwork, where I spent over $50,000 on different tasks, right? So I posted what is needed a little bit, and I got a lot of proposal, as you can see, and I even tested one. Proposal for what I wanted to have went from $5,000 to even to $20,000, right? And this is what I did it in the past all the time. If something I needed to code, I always go to the Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and try to search for somebody who can do for me coding, because I'm not technical experience. I don't have too much coding experience. But question is coming, can we do this time something in different way? I decided, hey, maybe this is the time right now to test ChatGPT by itself and to see, can I use ChatGPT coder like virtual assistant, which can do all the coding for myself, because basically I don't need something too much complicated task here. Also, I wanted to show you this story, which is posted a couple months ago, when one very big company said that most outsourced coders in India will be gone in 2 years due to AI. So that is why I decided here, this is the time for me to test. This is something new one, and to see, can I really implement what is needed. And first thing I did it search in the Google what is needed, and I found a really very cool one code. This is a case study from one developer. He said, I created a voice chat bot powered by ChatGPT API, and he showed results. And also in the bottom, he also left some coding. So I do have code which is done by some developer, right? And now I needed simply to twist it, to change it, and implement it. Again, I don't have too much technical skills. I only did the research in Google. I found the code. Now questions come on what I can do next, right, with this one. There are two ways, right? You can go to the ChatGPT, right, to give the prompts, but I did it in another way. I went to the BizWithAI. Why? The reason is this, because they do have, as you can see, 32 AI agents and coders. And let me show to you actually. So if you go to the AI agents, you can see that you can hire different team members, and they do have development and coding right here. So you can have here like virtual assistant in JavaScript, in Python, in C++, whatever it is needed. So I decided to hire Kenneth Parker, right? And this is how it started, right? So I wanted to show my history with this virtual assistant, right? So I say that I wanted to create voice chatbot which will act as Elvis Presley using ChatGPT API. So I thought, yeah, this will be a cool idea that if you can talk in real life to Elvis Presley, some fun, right? So I decided just to make it like MVP, this product. So this sounds like interesting project, as you can see, and he gave already some example of the code, right? So which I can use. But I said, hey, check this code, and I implemented, copy pasted from this post right here, right? So I decided to let him check this code, and he said this is a Streamlit Python app integrated with API, as you can see, ChatGPT 3, and he said this is a fascinating, this is a really cool one, this is a really good one, good job, right? So I said okay, cool. The next step, how to implement to Streamlit, right? So there is platform, as you can see, streamlit.io, which allows you to host your coding without, as you can see, no front end experience required. And for my MVP, this sounds really very simple one, no big deal, right? So I decided, hey, give me some tips how to do this one. So he gave me instruction, as you can see, detail, some tutorials, right? And basically that's it. I used this tutorial and implemented this code from above, right? But it gave me error. So I didn't stop there. I said, hey, I did changes and I still have error with running at Streamlit, as you can see. And I gave all these logs from my app to this virtual assistant. Now, as you can see, it's going crazy one because this is insane. So he's analyzing all these problems with the coding, and he gives me a recommendation of what to do and how to change it. And after that, it went live. So successfully, I implemented this. So at the end, as you can see, I implemented very successfully this voice chatbot. And let me give you an example. Again, this is a demo. This is not the here right now male voice. Here we are using the voice over female one. But still, for MVP, this is really a crazy one. So let me show you. Hi, how are you?
Well, thank you kindly for asking. Darlin', I'm doing just dandy. Livin' the rock and roll dream every day. How about yourself?
This is, as you can see, crazy one. So within approximately, it took me approximately 2-3 hours, right, to implement, to create MVP voice over chatbot, which is acting similar to Elvis Presley, right? And it saved me, as I said, from $5,000 to $20,000 with this task. And for me, this is mind-blowing because, again, usually I use it, freelancers from different parts of the world spend tons of money. Now you can do very quickly MVP project, very testing one with ChatGPT, either directly one or with such services like Biz with AI. And indeed, I believe that in a couple years, maybe not in 2 years, but in 5-10 years, due to AI, we will see less and less outsourced coders from India and like Pakistan and other ones. You can do really a lot of stuff by yourself, directly with talking with ChatGPT and integrating different codes by yourself with the help of AI. So this is insane one case study, and in the next video I wanted to show you how we did it, another saving approximately $30,000 with CRMs, similar to like we did it here, but we wanted to combine 2 CRMs into one. And so I wanted to show that in the next video. Basically, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter where over 50,000 different, as you can see, business leaders and ambitious professionals from many companies join us, and where we show it different case studies. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.